Hello everyone. In this lecture, we'll learn about setting realistic training goals. You have made it to an important turning point in your training journey because today we are talking about something that decides whether you succeed or get frustrated. Your expectations. Let me ask you honestly, have you ever expected your pet to learn something very quickly? Like, why isn't my dog listening yet? I taught this yesterday, why don't they remember? Totally normal, but here's the truth. Training is not instant, it's a process, right? Think progress, not perfection. Your pet is learning a completely new language, so instead of expecting perfection, look for small improvements. For example, on first day, your dog sits after 5 seconds. Maybe on third day, he sits faster, and on day 7 sits immediately. That's success. Next is breaking big goals into small wins. Instead of saying, I want my dog to be perfectly trained, break it down. Learn, sit, stay, learn, come, reduce jumping, walk calmly on leash. Small wins means faster motivation for you and your pet. Next is understanding your pet's pace. Every pet is different. Some learn fast, some need repetition, some gets distracted easily, and that's okay. For example, puppies, they are high energy, shorter focus, whereas adult pets, they are slower but more stable learning. Whereas cats, they are very selective learners. Adapt your expectations to your pet, not someone else's. Next is setting time based expectations. Here's a realistic way to think. Basic command may take a few days to a week, whereas consistency, it requires a few weeks, and real life reliability, it may take 1 or 2 months. And that's perfectly normal. Don't get stressed and don't think that your training is not working. It's a process and it will take time. Great training takes time. Okay. Next is celebrating small wins. This is very important for both of you. When your pet improves even a little, celebrate it, reward it, acknowledge it, because progress builds momentum. Let's do a quick goal setting activity. Take a moment right now and ask yourself, what is one behavior I want to improve first? Just one. Not 10, not everything. Focus creates result. So just focus on that one result that you want. Write it down mentally or actually write it in some piece of paper. Maybe like my first training goal is whatever you think. Just write it down in a piece of paper and that's it. It might lead to a mindset shift I want you to keep. Don't rush the process, build the foundation because strong basics equals long term success. And remember, you are not just training behavior, you are shaping habits for life. And in the next section, we are moving into real training execution, starting with potty training and core basics. This is where things get exciting. So set your first goal, stay focused, and I'll see you in the next lecture.